Growth hormone, also known as somatotropin, is a crucial hormone produced by the pituitary gland, a pea-sized organ located at the base of the brain. Its primary function is to promote growth and development, especially during childhood and adolescence. However, its role extends beyond just growth. It's involved in numerous bodily processes, including metabolism, muscle repair, and overall tissue maintenance. Let's dive deeper into how growth hormone works, why it's so vital for our health, and what happens when there's an imbalance. What is growth hormone? Growth hormone is a protein-based hormone composed of 191 amino acids. It is released in pulses throughout the day, with the highest levels secreted during deep sleep and after exercise. The release of GH is regulated by the hypothalamus, which produces two key hormones: growth hormone releasing hormone, GHRH, stimulates the production and release of GH somatostatin, inhibits GH secretion to ensure balance. GH primarily exerts its effects indirectly by stimulating the liver to produce insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1. IGF-1 is responsible for many of the growth-promoting actions attributed to GH functions of growth hormone. Stimulating growth, GH is essential for linear growth in children and adolescents. It promotes the lengthening of bones by stimulating the growth plates in the long bones. Building and repairing. Muscle. GH plays a key role in muscle development and repair. It enhances protein synthesis, which is vital for building new muscle tissue and repairing damage caused by exercise or injury. Regulating. Metabolism.GH helps regulate body composition by promoting fat breakdown and increasing lean body mass. It also influences carbohydrate metabolism by reducing insulin sensitivity and increasing blood glucose levels. Enhancing bone density, GH and IGF-1 work together to strengthen bones by stimulating the production of bone-forming cells, osteoblasts. Supporting. Tissue repair. GH is involved in cell regeneration and tissue repair, making it crucial for healing wounds and maintaining the health of vital organs. Promoting energy levels. By mobilizing fat stores and regulating metabolism, GH provides the body with a steady source of energy. Growth hormone imbalances. Imbalances in GH production can lead to various health issues depending on whether levels are too high or too low. Growth hormone deficiency causes genetic mutations, damage to the pituitary gland or hypothalamus, e.g., from tumors, head injury, or radiation therapy. Symptoms in children: slowed or stunted growth, delayed puberty, increased fat around the abdomen. Symptoms in adults: reduced muscle mass and strength, increased body fat, fatigue and low energy levels. Decreased bone density, leading to a higher risk of fractures. Treatment: GH replacement therapy using synthetic growth hormone injections can help restore normal levels and alleviate symptoms. Excess growth hormone. Causes: often caused by a benign tumor in the pituitary gland, pituitary adenoma. Conditions: gigantism, occurs in children and adolescents before the growth plates close. It results in excessive growth of bones and height. Acromegaly, occurs in adults after the growth plates have closed. It leads to enlarged hands, feet, and facial features, as well as joint pain and organ enlargement. Treatment: surgery to remove the tumor. Medications to reduce GH production or block its effects. Radiation therapy in some cases. How to optimize growth hormone levels. While GH production naturally declines with age, certain lifestyle habits can help optimize its levels. Prioritize sleep. Deep sleep is when GH secretion is at its peak. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Engage in regular exercise. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, and resistance training are particularly effective at boosting GH levels. Maintain a balanced diet. Include adequate protein to support muscle repair and avoid excessive sugar, which can suppress GH release. Incorporate foods rich in arginine, e.g., nuts, seeds, and poultry, as this amino acid may stimulate GH production. Manage stress, chronic. Stress can disrupt hormone balance, including GH. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. Avoid excessive alcohol and smoking. Both can interfere with GH production and overall hormonal health. Consider fasting. Intermittent fasting has been shown to boost GH levels naturally by reducing insulin and increasing fat metabolism. The future of growth hormone research. Research into growth hormone continues to uncover new insights into its potential applications. For example, anti-aging. While controversial, some studies suggest that GH therapy may slow certain aspects of aging by improving muscle mass and skin elasticity. Athletic performance. Researchers are exploring how GH can enhance recovery and performance, although its use is banned in professional sports. Regenerative medicine. GH's role in tissue repair could pave the way for advanced treatments for injuries and degenerative diseases. Growth hormone is a powerhouse that plays a critical role in growth, development, and overall health. From supporting childhood growth to aiding in muscle repair and metabolism, its functions are diverse and essential. By adopting healthy lifestyle habits like prioritizing sleep, exercising, and eating a balanced diet, you can naturally support your body's GH production. If you suspect an imbalance, consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Remember, small changes in your daily routine can have a big impact on your hormonal health and overall well-being.